Open Filmora 13 and go to Templates. Filmora 13 and Filmora Mobile have launched many new assets. That's why I want you to try this new travel template. Let's have a preview. To achieve the same results, follow these simple steps. Drag and drop the template on your editing timeline. Click to replace material. In this pop-up window, you may already replace the videos in the template. Click the plus button for each clip and select your own video. But to easily navigate, expand the whole template. Here you can see everything, including the assets and other elements. Go to Media tab and import your own videos. To easily replace each video, drag, hold Alt key and drop your video on the clip you want to replace. You will see a plus sign indicating you will replace that clip. As you can see, your replacement video ruined the template. We will fix that later. This is the original template and the clips are in the same size and symmetrical. We will achieve this same result later. For now, replace all the video clips with your own clips about your recent travel. Let's now fix this. Double-click your video clip and go to Mask. Select Parallel Lines and adjust each video clip accordingly. Make sure all of the clips will fit into the frame. If it is hard to move the clip, use the basic tab and tweak the position using the X and Y coordinates. X for horizontal movement and Y for vertical movement. After fixing each clip, you may now adjust the random text and replace it with ones that will match your footages. By the way, do not forget to remove the audio of your video clips to give way for the background music, which you can also replace if you want. Let's now replace these last two videos. I suggest you place a landscape footage on the first clip that shows the place where you went. Last clip is whatever you like. Lastly, replace the titles. I replaced it with the name of the place where we went as well as the current month and year. I think it's all done and ready to export. Thank you so much for watching. Here's the result.